Second situation of lesson two, right? So I'm gonna read it first. I'm gonna read, giving you some time, so please repeat after me. If it's not enough, pause the video to repeat, okay? At a supermarket. Excuse me, where are the restrooms, please? They're at the front of the store, sir, near the entrance. The men's room is on the left and the women's is on the right. Aren't there any kids' restrooms? Repeat one more time. Aren't there any kids' restrooms? No, but there's probably a diaper changing room if that's what you need. Mom, Jenny's teasing me. Jenny, can't you leave your sister alone? So let's go by parts, right? Some questions about the situation. Pause the video and answer them. Record your answers. How many people are there in the situation and who are they? Well, there are five people in the situation, and we have a family. I mean, a father and mother and two daughters. And there is a guy who is a stock clerk, you know. He is a stock clerk, meaning that he is the supermarket employee responsible for putting things, on the shelves when the products are over. Next question. What is the man looking for? Answer. The man is looking for restrooms. Question. Where are the restrooms at this store? Answer. They are at the front of the store. They are not in front of the store. In front of the store would be here, and here is the door to leave, and then the restrooms would be here in front of the store. They are at the front of the store. For example, on an airplane, the cockpit where the pilot is not in front of the aircraft, right? It's not, you have the airplane and then the cockpit is separate, right? They are at the front of the aircraft. Very nice. So they are at the front of the store near the entrance. Very nice. My next question is, what does the girl want? The little girl want? Answer. Well, the little girl wants some kids' restrooms. Question. How does her sister make fun of the little girl? Answer. She makes fun of the little girl, implying that the girl is a baby. Because if she's looking for the kids' restroom, so probably a better solution for her would be a diaper changing room. A room where mummies take babies to change their diapers, right? Question. In the end of the situation, what does the mother want Jenny to do? Well, the mother wants Jenny to leave her sister alone. All right. So I'll read it one more time. Now let's talk a little bit about the vocabulary there, right? At a supermarket. Excuse me, where are the restrooms, please? Remember that, let me ask you a question, but be careful because my question is a trap, okay? My question is, how many restrooms are there in your house? Well, if you answered one or two or three or four, probably you are wrong because look, we prefer to use bathroom for the restrooms you have in your house. Prefer to use restroom for, commercial or public places, all right? So, a bathroom, a restroom, right? Very nice. They are at the front of the store. Remember what I told you about the difference between at the front of your house, you have something, and there is another house in front of your house, right? near the entrance. All right. The men's room is on the left, the women's room is on the right. I don't think there's a problem there, right? Okay, and then there's probably a diaper changing room. This is a question I have for you. Tell me a famous brand or some famous brands of diapers in Brazil. Answer. Well, some famous brands of diapers in Brazil are, for example, Pampers, right? Or Turma da Mônica, or I don't know, Mili, or I don't know. There's I think it's a Chinese one, Poco, Mama Poco, or something like that, right? So all of those are kinds of diapers, brands of diapers. Question: is there a diaper changing room at the supermarket near your house? Answer: well, in my case, no, there isn't. Well, there is a supermarket close to my house, like 2 blocks from my house. There's not a diaper changing room there. There's another one that we like to go that is Condor. Um, Maybe. No, I think there isn't a diaper changing room there. There's just, like a restroom for women, so the women's room with the diaper changing place there, so something like that. All right. Uh, Very nice. So if that's what you need, Mom Jenny's teasing me. Remember, so tease is the best way to say that, right? So if I look at my friend has very strange hair today, and then I say, haha, your hair looks like, I don't know, you look like a corn cob, like cob is like corn without taking. Then I am teasing my friend, right? Remember, it's not by accident that we have the vocabulary strip tease, right? Because you can tease a person in the meaning of making them mad, making fun of them, but you can tease a person sexually. Strip in English is to take out, right? Mainly clothes. So that's why we call strip tease, right? It teases the person while somebody is stripping, somebody is taking off their clothes. And then the mother says, Jenny, can't you leave your sister alone? Not just literally, right? Like, leave your sister alone, and then the other girl goes away and the little girl is alone. No, leave your sister alone is like, stop teasing her. Let her be would be another way to say the same expression. Okay, just to finish this situation, I want you to record the whole thing, all right? Read the whole thing to me and send me the audio.